Digitalization is one of the main reasons for over half of the Fortune 500 companies to have disappeared since year 2000. With this thought, one can only ponder that we should either automate or risk getting automated. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are all physically and mentally well during this tough time. Challenging situations have always presented opportunity to display character of strength, dedication, and creativity. I, Shubham Sharma, through this video would like to share with you the strength of mine as I search for avenues in German automotive and manufacturing industry to apply my competencies and also further develop them as well. Fascinated by the push given by digitalization to automotive manufacturing sector, I pursued a master's degree in commercial vehicle technology from Technical University of Kaiserslautern. Here I studied about various aspects of Industry 4.0 and extensively focused on simulation, virtual reality, and autonomous robots, which are the latest trends in production systems and logistic optimization in smart factory environment. To understand the finer intricacies of fourth industrial revolution from its nucleus, I did an internship and master thesis on implementation planning of an automated guided vehicle systems with aim of integrating the production system at ZF with the state-of-art logistic infrastructure. I started by developing digital twins of various processes using Siemens plant simulation software, which allowed simulation of various events in a production system. The entire factory layout was broken down into individual machining stations and was modeled as a discrete event by considering parameters such as machining time, pickup time, and waiting time. Such discrete events were then integrated to simulate into factory operations. An important part of my thesis also explored the potentials of virtual reality through a tool called BoxPlan, which enable us to develop digital models of factory layouts in a virtual environment with an aspect ratio of 1:1. Virtual models of the layout proposals were developed and potential solutions for part variant management, workspace ergonomic, and AGV material handling were discussed. Therefore, an overall physical infrastructure was efficiently planned with a project cost reduction of about 15% during the final implementation stage. My competencies with CAD software such as CATIA V5, SolidWorks, and AutoCAD enabled me to extend support the design of factory layouts. With comprehension of object-oriented programming concepts, I would be able to work with languages such as C++, Python, and MATLAB Simulink. My communication skills in English as well as German, proficient analytical skills, and leadership qualities have altogether shaped me as an effective team player. I look forward towards implementing my competencies not only in the automobile sector but also in environments where concepts of lean management, digitalization, machine time measurement, human machine interface, and process automation are of the order. I would cherish for an opportunity wherein I can elaborate upon the mentioned aspects in a greater detail. I thank you for your time that you have invested by watching this video and wish you a good day ahead. Stay healthy and stay fit. Cheers.